In classic Icepak, it's not possible to create custom shortcuts. However, we have a standard set of very useful shortcuts. To list all of them, just go to Help, List Shortcuts. In AEDT Icepak, you can customize shortcuts by going to Tools, Keyboard Shortcuts. This is an extremely powerful feature that helps quickly perform routine tasks and significantly increases productivity. When paired with a mouse that has programmable buttons, you can easily map mouse buttons to AEDT shortcuts. This allows shortcuts to be accessed from both the keyboard and mouse. To create a custom shortcut, first select the command, type in the new shortcut, and double-check it doesn't overwrite an existing one. If there's a conflict, either use a different keystroke combination or remove the existing shortcut before adding a new one. Finally, hit Assign and OK. Here we see the new shortcut in action with a much more streamlined workflow for routine geometry modifications.